Hello everyone, I'm Jason from Privyr. Today, I'm going to share on how you can use the Privyr Assistant Chrome extension to help you automatically convert any of your PropertyGuru listing into a trackable page in Privyr. Do you spend a lot of time manually creating Privyr pages even though you already have existing listing in PropertyGuru? If so, you are going to love our new one-click page import tool. Firstly, when viewing a listing on PropertyGuru, just click on the Privyr icon, then click Import to Privyr. And it will automatically populate and format the text, messages, map, and other contents as a Privyr page. You can still make any edits you want, then save once you are done. To install this plugin, you will need to use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other Chrome-based browser like Opera or Brave. Click on the link in this video description to open the Privyr Assistant Chrome extension. Click on Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Next, click on the puzzle icon to view your extension and pin the Privyr icon for easy access. Your setup is now complete and you should be able to see and locate the Privyr icon easily on the toolbar. Make sure that you are logged in into your Privyr account on your web browser. Now, anytime you are viewing any of your listing on PropertyGuru, you can just click the Privyr icon and click on Import to Privyr. This will automatically load all the content as a new Privyr page. You can still edit the content if you want, then click Create Page once you are done. You can now send the pages to your client and track views on it. Please note that the Privyr Assistant plugin is only available for Privyr Pro subscribers and works on laptop or desktop devices. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that this makes it a lot easier for you to add your properties and create pages in Privyr.